Come up closer. All right, come on, dress it up. Help him out. If the line looks out of kilter, help him out. Talk to him.
Up on the right. Okay, or not?
All right. Ears and eyes. Guys, we cannot let anyone have control of our lives. We are here to maintain control of our lives. We are the pilot, nobody else. We do not go to college, bust our ass in college, all this study and everything else, just so someone else can decide what to do with our life. We do not work all our lives and accomplish and build companies just so some dirtbag can decide what to do with your life for the next 10 seconds. All right, ears and eyes. Hands ready. Draw. Load with a tap rack ready. Draw, tap rack ready. Start thinking about what you're getting into here. Make a plan. Know what you're going to do when you receive the certain cue. Perceive, choose, act, adjust. Threat! Stop! Get back! Stop!
No! Stop!
Charlie Alpha Bravo!
There you go.
Threat! Stop! Get back! Fire!